everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marissa if you're new. So today's video is just going to be a little get ready with me. I have a holiday work party luncheon type of thing to go to, so we're going to get ready for that. And I don't even know what I'm wearing yet or how I'm going to do my makeup, so I'm kind of just going to wing it. So I'm thinking maybe I'll use the Jaclyn Hill palette again. I really did like it, but I don't know if I want a purpley look. Let me go look at my collection real quick and I'll be right back. So I think what I'm gonna do is mix the Morphe palette with my Just Peachy palette because there is a shade in here I really wanna use. I love the shade Hush Hush here. It's like a perfect mauve. I kind of want to put that all over the lid and kind of do more of like a matte look. Maybe add a little bit of, you know, shimmer or something. Yeah, so I better do this quick because my camera might die, so. I'm just gonna put a little bit of primer on my eyelids. They're a little dry. I'm just gonna speed through this because it's just a normal like get ready with me, and seriously, who's texting? I'm just using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I think I'll use this color or this brush. It's a super simple, like, just smoky eye look. The shades kind of just like all blend together. That's fine. I'm just gonna add a little bit of shimmer, spice it up a bit. That's all I'm doing. Probably gonna go clean it up and then we'll move on to the face. I'm all primed and ready, and I think I'm just gonna use concealer today for foundation. My face is kind of breaking out, so I don't want to like put too much stuff on my face. So yeah, I'm going to a holiday work lunch. I work for my parents, so free lunch for me. So I'm super excited. Well, I shouldn't get my hopes up, but I might be going to the Ariana Grande concert in May with like my ultimate best friend. She lives in Jersey. She might fly out, you know, to visit me, and then we might go to the Ariana Grande concert if she does come out. I seriously love Ariana Grande. I used to like kind of just be like, oh, like I like here and there, like, you know, but she's come out with some really good music and I'm like obsessed with her, and I watch all of her like dangerous woman like documentaries on YouTube, and I'm just a fan. I'm a big fan of her. I wanted to get tickets to actually like meet her, But then I was looking at the price and I was like, we ain't meeting her. I really want to go get my face dermablade or dermaplaning, I don't know, and get like the first layer off. Like all the peach fuzz off, which is really cool. So I really want to do that when I get back from my cruise. You know, the new year's starting, I kind of want new skin, you know, new year, new skin. You know, everyone feels that way. New year, new skin. Let's just like get a bunch of plastic surgery and look completely different. Yeah, so like being a college student is kind of hard. And like for my major, like my classes are so long. Like I have like 3-hour classes next semester and I'll have like 2 a day. So it's kind of just like difficult to like find a job that's willing to like accommodate my schedule. I know a lot of places are pretty like good about that and like will feel like you're a college student. But it's just hard and there's so much work that goes into being a fashion major. Like I'm gonna be in like a sewing class and stuff, so I'm gonna have like projects outside of class to like sew and stuff like that. And it's just like a lot of work. So I'm like hoping after this semester, like my junior year will kind of be slowed down and I'll kind of get the hang of it. Because this is obviously my first year at ESU, so kind of still getting used to it and stuff like that. And I can't get a job over summer because I'm going away. I'm studying abroad for 3 weeks, so I can't just be like, so by the way, if I get the job, I'm going to be gone for 3 weeks studying abroad, you know? My Nars Almeria. I love this blush. I'm sad that it was limited edition. I actually got it at like a outlet store, a makeup outlet store, like at Westgate, where they have like high-end makeup that I guess is like only limited edition and like they don't sell anymore. Oh, so I wanted to talk about, because I'm kind of moving on the lips, I'm kind of going all over the place, but I wanted to talk about these. These are so cute. So I was at Walmart the other day. I was looking at the Wet n Wild section at Walmart, and I saw that they have a collection that's only exclusive to Walmart, and I was like, what's that? And it's actually like a horoscope line. I know ColourPop came out with this and like a few other brands, but these are so cool. So they had a bunch of lip glosses and highlights, and then they also came out with like a powder highlight that's kind of like a loose powder, which might have been too light for me, so that's why I didn't get it. But then they also had like body illuminators. It was really cool. But they had like different eyeshadow palettes for this horoscope collection. So I found 2 glosses that I really liked, and they're actually really, really cool. And like, look at this packaging. It's so cute. So I love that it's like black and gold, super cute. So this one right here is kind of like a duochrome, I feel like, and it's like a metallic, but it's super cool. And this one's called Virgo, so it just kind of looks like that, and I'll swatch it for you guys. Let's see. I can't do this when I'm not looking. So that's what that one looks like. It's super cool on. My mom was like so obsessed with it. This one's my favorite one. This one is Aquarius, and it's kind of like a peachy nude with like some gold flecks. It's so pretty. I'm taking this one on my cruise because it's like so summery. So let's just... So it's like that nice like peachy pink nude. It's really pretty. I think I'm gonna put it on today. I think this would look so, I don't know if it goes with my eye look, but we're gonna keep it on. I think it would look so good when I'm tan and on my cruise. So yeah, I really like that. I'm actually gonna spray some setting spray. My face is so dry. Ooh, let that sink in. We're gonna move on to eyes again and just like curl our lashes and put some mascara on. So that is done. We're done with the makeup. I've already done my hair. Guys, check these out. Go to your local Walmart. These are so cute. This is the Color Icon lip gloss with their like horoscope collection. I think it's cool because it has like the horoscope signs on the caps, but the bottles are so cute. It's gold and black. This one is my favorite, like packaging wise, because it's like so pleasing because there's like gold flecks in the lip gloss, but this one's so cool. My mom's like, do you think this looks weird on a 50-year-old woman? And my dad's like, yeah. And I'm like, no, rock it. Like, I think it looks good. Talking so much that I was looking in the mirror and I forgot to do my brows. So thank you guys for telling me. I mean, it would have been nice to have like a little heads up. Just like jump through the screen and tell me, you need your eyebrows done. That would have been pretty cool, huh? Okay. I'm not gonna do too much, just kind of, you know, go over them, fill in the sparse areas. Okay, this brow, I don't like the way this brow is shaped, honestly. It looks like what my brows used to look like when I was a kid, or in high school, and they were not cute. So this is what I'm wearing. Just a plain tank top, Free People jeans, Shein, and these heels from Shein.